When it comes to sailing, knowing how to tie the right knots can make all the difference. Today, we're diving into the top 5 essential knots every sailor must know. Let's get started. First up is the bowline. This knot is often referred to as the sailor's best friend. It creates a fixed loop at the end of a rope, which is perfect for securing a line to a post or a ring. To tie a bowline, start by making a small loop in the standing part of the rope. Then, take the working end and pass it through the loop from underneath. Bring it around the standing part and back down through the loop. Pull it tight, and you've got a reliable knot that won't slip. Next, we have the Clove Hitch. This knot is fantastic for securing a line to a pole or a post. To tie a clove hitch, wrap the rope around the object twice, crossing the working end over the standing part. Then tuck the working end under the last wrap. It's quick to tie and untie, making it ideal for temporary situations. Just remember, it can slip under heavy load, so use it wisely. Now, let's talk about the sheet bend. This knot is essential for joining two ropes of different diameters. Start by forming a loop with the thicker rope. Take the thinner rope and pass it through the loop from behind. Wrap it around the thicker rope and then back through the loop. Pull both ends to tighten. The sheet bend is strong and secure, perfect for when you need to extend your lines. Moving on to the figure 8 knot. This knot is a favorite among climbers and sailors alike for its simplicity and strength. To tie a figure 8, create a loop in the rope, then take the working end and wrap it around the standing part. Bring it back down through the loop you just made. This knot is great for creating a stopper or for securing lines to a harness. It's easy to untie, even after heavy loads, making it a must-know for any sailor. Finally, we have the rolling hitch. This knot is perfect for securing a line to another line or a post when you need to pull in one direction. Start by wrapping the working end around the object, then bring it back over the standing part and wrap it around again. Tuck the working end under the last wrap and pull tight. The rolling hitch holds well under tension and is easy to adjust, making it incredibly useful on the water. Now that you know these 5 essential knots, it's time to practice. Grab some rope and try tying each knot until you feel confident. Remember, mastering these knots not only enhances your sailing skills, but also ensures safety on the water. So get out there and start tying.